thoughts to watch as I know what time I lost it. I'll own anything just to find out where I sit. Isn't this what you wanted? You can buy most anything, but you ain't happy. Isn't this what you wanted?
Hey, what's up? It's Bill with Seeds of Nature Water Gardens, and I am in southern Florida working with Aquascapes of Naples, and we're going to be building a 24-foot long pondless waterfall. It's going to be a really beautiful, gentle, meandering stream. These clients have been waiting for this for over a year. We finally get to do it. Let me show you the project. We have a beautiful backyard that backs right up to this forest. Got a lot of pine, palm, of course, very Florida. And we have this outdoor living area. So this pavilion is going to be screened in. It's going to mimic this screened in porch over here. You know, we have this open patio. And right over here where the paint is going to be our basin. So we're going to have a 9 large aqua block basin. And we're going to have a meandering stream that starts about, I don't know if you can see the paint, but about where that paint is right there. And so it's going to be very gentle. It's only going to be 5,000 gallons an hour of water flow. And what this is going to allow us to do is have a nice, gentle stream. We're going to have a few drops in here. Being Florida, of course, you know, we're not going to have a mountain. We're going to have maybe about 1.5 feet of elevation drop along this entire stream. We have some really beautiful weathered limestone boulders. And this is going to be excellent. It's going to be really nice this week. So I'm excited about this project. There's our aqua blocks. And yeah, let's get to work. All right, so we got our basin in. We got pretty much the pads dug out. Sometimes I dig them out, sometimes I don't. This time I decided to because, you know, it's a pretty flat area and I kind of want to see how waterfall and the stream is going to interact with the space. So obviously we can build, we can backfill if we get a rock in a certain area, but generally this is going to give us a pretty good blueprint on how to proceed. So next, now we just got to finish backfilling the basin, and now we can start rocking. So let's keep moving. All right, that's a wrap. This project was amazing. If you're in South Florida, contact Aquascapes of Naples and we can get you a project just like this. But if you're on the West Coast, go to my website, seedsofnaturewatergardens.com. All right, thanks for watching. Peace.